Christmas is over and I just got hella packages in from Amazon, so let's see what I got. I grabbed my nylon knife. It's plastic. I don't know why, even though I basically ordered all this the same day, why does Amazon split up everything? Why can't y'all just put this in one box? Save the trees, Amazon. I believe this right here is this Aunt Jackie deep conditioner that I love, y'all. This is really one of my favorite ones. It smells so good. Next, I think we got this wig. I have been needing a new wig for quite some time. Y'all know I be wearing the same wig. So I'm so excited about this one. Should I show you what this look like in this video? No, I should wait till its own video. Never mind, just know I got a wig, y'all. It's a headband wig, just know. Video coming soon. It's my headbands, obviously, because I got a headband wig. I wanted some additional headband colors because when I wear my natural hair out, I don't really have edges. And that's honestly because I got the shunt, so like a lot of my edges over here just would never grow back because of my shunt. And then I broke my edges out this year. So it said they're yoga headbands. I got them in a 3-pack. Cause you're all I need. But I know I'm working with a company with a phone case, and I think this is the phone case. Oh, it's cute. It's nice and soft. Look at that. So this is the phone case that I'm about to be putting on my phone. Okay, company from Amazon. I don't remember your name. This is the box, y'all. Okay. It's really soft. I had been wanting a silicone case, but it's hard. Like, it's not, you know what I'm saying? It's not just flimsy. Okay. Ow. Okay, this big box. In here, a beard grooming kit. I think that's what this is right here. So I'm excited for Anthony. His grooming. I think these people done sent me 2 beard kits.
Nope, I didn't pay twice, but they did say I can keep both of them.
Next is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Leave-In Conditioner. I have tried their, what was it called? Their pomegranate leave-in hair conditioner before, and I did like it. Let's smell it, because Mielle do got some good smelling products. Minty.